Nginibingelele bafethu emakhaya kuphi nakuphi la nikhona neNingizimu Afrika nangaphandle. Igama lami ngoHlula Umthakathi ngwakamhloli. Kanti uhlelo oluthamele njengamanje lubizwa ngokuthi isintu nesayensi. Okuyila khona esisuke sikhuluma kabanzi ngemvelaphi yomuntu kanye nomlando walempilo esiyiphilayo. Konke lokho sikwenza ngokusebenzisa i-cosmology noma ulwazi lwe-cosmology okanye ungathi i-space science mawuthanda. Iy'nkulumo zami bafethu zigxile kakhulu kwi-metaphysics ngokuholwa ulwazi lwe-quantum science. Inhloso enkulu bafethu yokwenza lento engiyenzayo ukwambula izinqa zento esiyibiza ngokuthi i-physical matrix elawulwa ngama-fallen angels afana no-reptilians, ama-draconians, nama-Anunnaki. Bonke besebenzisana nalabo hulumeni laba bala emhlabeni abasiphethe kanye nama-secret societies we-Illuminati. Inhloso enkulu ye-matrix bafowethu ukuthi thina njengonogada noma ntshingelane noma nje amaphoyisa okuwabantu abagade le ndawo le esikuyona. uNkulunkulu wasithumela lokho ukuthi sizoyigada le ndawo futhi siyivikele kubantu noma kwezinye izidalwa ezingahle zifuna ukuyisebenzisa le ndawo for izathu ezimbi ehlangene nobumnyama ukuthi ke sizoyigada ke thina-ke. I-matrix idlala lo nhloso yokuthi thina isigcine singazazi ukuthi singobani, sikuphi, sivelaphi futhi kungani. I-matrix bafethu iyazuza ibenefitha kakhulu ngokuthi thina sizazi asinalo ulwazi. Uyabona? Ingakho kubalekile ukuthi sivuke siyabantu sazi amaqiniso beyond zonke izinto esesifundiswe ngazo. Ke sithi ukuphenya senze i-research ethe ukujula ngale mpilo esiyiphilayo. Si-question izinto manje, si-question i-reality. Ngani? Ngoba le reality esiphila kuyo iyasicindezela and ungabi empowered kwethu ngolwazi kwenza ukuthi i-survive, i-thrive le system esiphethe njengamanje econtrol ama-fallen angels esebenzisana nohulumeni abasiphethe. Bonke bayasikhohlisa. Sitshela ukuthi basebenzela thina kanti akunjalo bafowethu. Uyabona? So ama-fallen angels awakufuni-ke lokho ukuthi thina sivuke sizazi ukuthi kahle kahle yitho umantshingelane, yithi esibhekile la, yithi ama-guardian angels akwa-earth, yithi esiprotect ama-portals nazo zonke iy'ndawo ne-planetary core nemvelo-ke nje at large. Uyabona? Kudala sasisebenzisana nama-titans lawa alaliswa-ke ngama-ice, amanye abulawa-ke. Uyabona? But we are protectors of this place from such people abafana nawo ama-fallen entities. Yabona? Ngesimanga-ke sakho ukuthi lama-fallen entities awafuni siwazi lamaqiniso futhi sivuke siqale senze umsebenzi wethu esiwuzele la wokuzoba amaphoyisa sigade le ndawo from zonke izinto ezimbi. Ngesimanga sokuthi awakufuni-ke lokho ama-fallen angels asifake ngaphansi kwe-matrix-ke. I-matrix isigcina singazazi singenalo ulwazi lobade ngibala ukuthi silahlekelwa ulwazi lokuthi singobani, sikuphi, sizeleni futhi kungani. Uyabona? Lonke lolo lwazi siyaluza bese senza izinto ezingahlangene nenhloso yokuba la emhlabeni. Ngokuparticipate ku-Matrix nje bafethu kahle kahle sifana nezingane ezifakwe iy'nkohlisane, uyabona? Asiyenzi inhloso yokuba la emhlabeni. Silibe sibhizi nje siworshiphana nemali, senze kungamele sikwenze, siyavuka siye emsebenzini, sispende isikhathi sethu nama-gift wethu. Iy'ngane zethu y'khuliswa abanye abantu ey'koleni, yabona? Zithola ney'mfundiso ey'hlukile lapha ko-Sunday school. Nathi ngokunjalo siyaprograma ngayo incwadi engcwele, yabona? Sikhokha ama-bills, kunentela, nje kuningi okwenzakalayo ngale mpilo esiyiphilayo. Yonke-ke iyi-matrix, yabona? And idesignelwe wena ukuthi at least phila yona le mpilo, hhayi leyo wayizela. Ungayitholi inhloso yakho yokuthi wayizelani. At least phila le mpilo ukuze izokubambezela kuze kufike isikhathi la khona offer khona, ngaphandle kokuthi uthole ukuthi kahle inhloso yakho enkulu yokuba la kwakuyini. Yingakho-ke sine-matrix. Ngoba futhi ayazi lama-fallen angels, ayasazi thina ukuthi singobani, thina nje singazazi, yabona? Uma singake sivuke silithole lolu lwazi ukuthi sobani sikuphi futhi kungani. Sowafaka induku ama-fallen angels, uyabona? Sizokwelapha ngoba zizele lokho ukuzokwelapha thina njengama-guardian angels. Awafuni ukwelashwa, athi wona a-right ngendlela angakhona, uyabona? Hence-ke sine-matrix bafethu, uyabona? And i-matrix inama-structures nama-systems wakhona. Ngihlezi ngwabala ngithi yikho ukusonta, amasiko, ezepolitiki, ezomnotho, njalo, entertainment, kuningi nje, maningi ama-sectors. You know, singeke sibalo retail neminye imikhakha. Konke kusase ama-structures we-matrix engacontrolwa yithina siyabantu. Sayibona nje sesiphila kuyo, asazi ukuthi ubani oyicontrola. But at the same time we do. Khona nama-shadow governments ngalapha. Yabona? So with that said bafethu-ke asiqaleke ne-topic yanamhlanje. Ikakhulukazi ngoba last week sakhuluma kabanzi ngoThara nokuqhuma kwakhe nazo zonke izinto ezenzeka. Mangabe ulandela kahle nje ama-video wami kuwukuthi waqala kule video yokuqala ka-season 1 nje ngiqala nje uku-upload, yabona? Le yayi-introduction. Weza nawo ama-video wami ulibuwalandela. Njengoba usula manje, cishe usune-clear picture ukuthi la esesikhona, especially njengoba sengikhuluma ngo-Dimension 5 no-Earth. Une-understanding wena ukuthi angimananga ngayikhela la phezulu yonke lento. Ngiyiqalele kuNkulunkulu esase-energy, wayimanifesta, wakhanda ulizwi, ngehla nayo kwaba khona ama-crystals, kwaba khona izimpi, njalo, kwakhandwa ama-Universal Protection Organizations, o-Interdimensional Association of Free Worlds, kwakhona o-Azurites, o-Oraphim, nezimpi, kwavikelwa, kwakhona o-Guardian Alliance, you know? Lezo zimpi-ke zisuka khona le, zaze zafika-ke nakulama-dimensions aphansi, ama-lower heavens. U-dimension yethu thina, u-dimension 3, iyingxenye yama-lower dimensions. No-dimension 5 la khona zonke lezi zimpi zethu noma lezi zimpi ezenzeka kwaThara zifola under ama-lower dimensional fields, uyabona? And ngihlezi ngisho ngithi thina sivela kuyo uThara as uma wethu, yena uThara as uma wethu evela kugogo wethu thina esithi uGaia okwa-dimension 8. Shuthi it's 3, 5 and 8. Dimension 3 Earth, dimension 5 lo ascendela kuwo manje nge-5D ascension uThara lo, ebese kuba khona ugogo wethu o-dimension 8 okuGaia lo. Hence no-Earth akabizwe ngo-Mother Gaia sometimes. Right. So today njoba last week bengikhulume ngoThara nje, ngachazela ukuthi eminyakeni ewu-560 million years ago kwakukhona indawo kwakuthiwa uThara, iplanet ekwayi-galactic noma i-stellar planet kwakuthiwa uThara kwa-dimension 5. Lowo dimension, lowo planet iyona esasingasho ukuthi iwumengameli, iwu-administrator wakho wayo yonke isolar system eyayikhona kwa-dimension 5, yabona? Iy'dalwa ezayitholakala lapho zazingama-guardian protectors of yonke dimension, right? And lezo y'dalwa zayibizwa ngama-Turanesium. Okay, zaphila-ke ndawonye, kwenzeka isitori esifanayo njengalesi esenzeka kuma-Christos races. Babephila ndawonye yonke into i-right until behlukane phakathi. Nakhona-ke la kwaThara zaphila lezi y'dalwa kule planet ekuthiwa uThara, zona zibizwa ngama-Turanesium. ziphila kamnandi for 8 million years until kungenelela ama-fallen angels. Ngihlezi ngisho ngithi konke la kungenelela khona ama-fallen angels bafethu izinto ziyabheda ziyonakala, azibe isahamba ngalo mgudu lo kumele ihambe ngawo kamdala noma wokuxhumana nomdala. Angenelela ama-fallen angels alala nezinye zalezi iy'dalwa zaqala zaqhekeka phakathi-ke nazo-ke manje zaseyihlukana kabili. Kwakhona ey'bizwa ngama-Alanians, kwase kuba khona ey'bizwa ngama-Lumians. Lezi ey'bizwa ngama-Alanians yizona lezo kuwukuthi ama-infiltrations wama-fallen angels asheshe azuwela kulibofuzo lwazo lezo y'dalwa, kwase kuba lula ukuthi zona y'qhubeke zenze okubi. Kwase kuthi ama-Lumians wona nkosi yami ulibofuzo ngathi lwalu-strong, so akhona ukuresista-ke lama-infiltrations ama-fallen angels. So wona a-gravitate towards uhlangothi lwama-guardians, ama-guardian angels okuwama-Lumians lawo. They gravitated towards that side, yabo. So bathi mase sekwenzakalile lonke lama-infiltrations base bethi-ke olumia noma ama-Lumians lawa olibofuzo lwabo lube strong lwakwazi ukuresista ipower yama-fallen angels. Base bekhuluma no-administrator okuyi-Melchizedek Cloister, yani master council le ngakhuluma ngayo kakhulu. Lo council leyo bakhuluma nayo ukuthi hayi bo bafethu sisizeni phela, banikwe igunya lokuthi bavule i-organization yabo. Ngaleyo organization bakwazi ukuthi-ke manje basuse abantu abaningi ababekhona lapho kwa-Eden, kuleyo country leyo, kuleyo planet kwakune-country yakuthiwa u-Eden, la khona abantu bokuqala. U-Eden was the cradle of humankind kwa-dimension 5, njoba nala ku-planet Earth uyayuzwa nje kukhulunywa nge-South Africa kuthiwa it's the cradle of humankind. Ila abantu abavela khona umsuka, la abantu abavela khona abantu bokuqala. Nakhona-ke kule planet kuthiwa uTara kwa-dimension 5, le continent okwakuthiwa u-Eden, babenqwabelene bonke-ke lapha ama-Turanesium ephila ndawonye emunye. Ngisho sekungenelela ama-fallen angels kwakulibe kuphilwa lapho. Ayekhona amanye ama-land masses, yabona, but kwakusase-concentrated la. So mase kwenzeka lezi zimpi sebehlukana phakathi, and then laba ama-Lumians asecela usizo lo administrator nama-Lyrans nama-Elohim ezo-administrator, balithola usizo kuthiwa vulani i-organization yenu ukuze nizokwazi ukuzenzela nina amabhizinisi noma the spiritual business, nikwazi ukuyihandlishela nini, nizosithinta thina manidinga usizo olukhulu. Bavula lo organization bakwazi ukuthi ngayo basuse ama-Lumians, abantu ababe ama-Lumians babasuse from kwa-Eden babawelisele ngaphesheya kolwandle kwenye i-continent eyayi-empty ngaleso sikhathi ingenama-occupants, kuyi-nature nje kuphela. And then baqala ama-civilizations wabo lapho bayibiza nge-priesthood of Mu. Yona i-priesthood of Mu eyayiholwa yona i-council of Mu, and lo ndawo leyo location leyo engaphesheya kolwandle base beyibiza ngokuthi i-continent of Mu. Umu wakhona u-Mu. Laba basale ngapha-ke ama-Alanians laba vela sebe under influence yama-fallen angels, kwala ukuthi ba-give up, babalandela, yabona, bakhanda ama-grid technologies, imishini ehamba ngaphansi komhlabathi, idonsa ama-frequency, beganga nje ngama-planetary frequencies. Leyo mshini yabonakala ukuthi izogcina iqhumise the entire planet, yabona. So kwathi makubonakala kanjalo kwazama ukukhulunywa nabo, hayi banqaba kwanhlanga zimuka nomoya, yabona. Kwase kuthi ingxenye yabo-ke laba abafallen iyeza ngapha yezokhala ukuthi bafowethu sicela ukuyilahla kini, siyababona bafowethu into abazama ukuyenza nathi izosilimaza sonke siyiplanet. Kwathiwa okay, niza ngapha akulalwe nani ngoba nani ni-fallen, ukuze sizokwazi phela ukuthi sikline ulibofuzo lwenu sikwazi ukuni-aligna, yabo. Kwakhona iy'dalwa-ke ey'phumayo lapho ey'bizwa nge-Ceres, yabo. Eventually-ke iyaqhuma-ke iplanethi ngoba izimpi phela zayingamile nawo ama-fallen angels libe qhubeka. Mangabe-ke iqhuma-ke iplanethi, lokho-ke sesizokhuluma ngakho-ke namhlanje. Yonke lento yakaTara yenzeka nje u-Earth akekho, noma ngithi i-solar system yethu ayikho. Yonke lento yenzeka nje i-solar system yethu ayikaka-exist. Into ekhona kusekhona i-solar power okuyilanga, the source of energy for all our 12 planets, yabona, because yona iya-exista. Kwaku-exista kushuthi singasho ukuthi the vacuum, i-space ngaphansi kwa-dimensions 4, 5 and 6, ku-exist enye i-universe. I-universe lesikuyo thina, yabona, ebizwa ngo-harmonic universe number 1. iphethe ama-dimensions 1, 2 and 3. Thina siyungxenye ka-dimension 3 oku-Earth. U-dimension 2 u-inner Earth, u-dimension 1 u-parallel Earth. Thina silapho-ke. But before ku-existe konke lokho nale solar system nestela ela kule universe yethu, kwakukhona le ngaphezulu kwethu harmonic universe number 2 la kutholakala khona u-dimension 5. Uyabona-ke. So mangabe kunalezo zimpike iqhuma le planet noma kwaqhuma icontinent ka-Eden, yathi mayiqhuma yaphazamisa ne-planetary grid, kwakhona ama-pieces waleyo planetary energy nawo ahlephukayo. Yabona? Mangabe ehlephuka ayise ama-pieces wakhona ehlela la esesikhona. Angithi thina siku-1 bona baku-2. Futhi okwenzeka la kuzowela la. Thina sila ku-1 bona bala ku-2. Uyabona? Futhi okwenzeka la ku-2 uzowelela la ku-1. So yaqhuma ke le planet wehlela la. Kwase makufika la kwafica the solar power ilanga lama pieces. Ingcucu lezi zeplanet. Lezi ingcucu ziyi-energy. Uyazi ukuthi i-energy ayifi. It can only transmute. So lawo ma-pieces mele ehamba ngokuphulwa i-gravity esuka le ku-harmonic universe number 2 ehla azafika la kulelo khungane kule universe esesikuyo. Afica amandla elanga, energy to energy. Yabona? So lama pieces wale planet asedonsa i-frequency yelanga. Kwakuwama pieces awu-12. 12 pieces of the morphogenetic field of planet Tara. Ayise ephula ama-frequencies elanga around ilanga. Ilanga ke nani niyazi liyakha liyondla njalo liyaphilisa. Ama-frequencies elanga ahlangana nalama energies lama pieces we-morphogenetic field eplanet kaTara. Kwase kwakhandeka ama-planet amasha. Kwavela uVenus, kwavela uMars, kwavela uJupiter, kwavela uPluto, kwavela uEarth njalo. Kwayisolar system yethu ephelele. Kushuthi ke yonke isolar system yethu njengoba iphelele injalo nje kahle. Iyingane ya dimension 5 Tara. Uyabona ukuthi kuze kube khona isolar system yethu phela ibingeke ibebikho engaqhumanga uplanet Tara. Kwakhosta ukuthi iqhume uplanet Tara before si-secure ilokho ngana thina isolar system. Nakho konke sesinakho kulo harmonic universe number 1. Uyabona? But ke ngiphethe inkamalanga bengisakusummarize nje. But uzozwa mase ngikufunda kwinkamalanga ukuthi ngizobe sengiphinda zonke lezi zinto ade ngizisho. Uyabona? Ukuthi ngiyangithanda ukuthi ngikusummarize khona nje ubone ukuthi hayi nami izinto engiyi-understandayo lezi hayi ukuthi ngigcina nje ngokuyifunda la kwinkamalanga. Uyabona? I understand exactly what I'm talking about. Kulungile. Sizoke sibukeke ukuthi ithini inkamalanga namhlanje. Right, kasiqale bafethu. Kutholana ke the portions of Tara's planetary grid automatically got dismembered from Tara's core, and through the magnetic pull forces, those portions were pulled into a galaxy below Tara, and that galaxy was in harmonic universe number 1. Uyabona? So lana ke bafethu kusachaza lento engichazayo nami ukuthi ama pieces noma ama portions we-planetary grid, yonke into ine energy grid. Ngachaza lokho kwamanye ama-videos wami la khona kwisintu ngescience. Yonke into ine energy grid, nomzimba wakho une energy grid. Uyabona? Ama-cosmic energies or cosmic frequencies, right? So yiyo ke le energy grid eyathikamezeka mangabe kuqhuma uTara. Yahlephuka phakathi into some few pieces. I-energy grid le. Uyabona? So mangabe kwenzeka lokho kwase phela khona lento ekuthiwa magnetic pull. Uyabona? Ngesimanga sokuthi uTara ulanga phezulu kwe-universe yethu. Kusho ukuthi konke okuwama pieces lokho kwehla phela kudonswa i-gravitational pull. Wehlela kule universe esesikuyona. Uyabona? So siqhubeka sithi ke since Tara was at harmonic universe number 2, these portions broke down into 12 pieces around the sun. Kusho ukuthi asithi nje i-portal, right, ekwazi ukuthi isisize noma ekwazi ukuthi sisuke kule harmonic universe esikuyona siye ku harmonic universe number 2 lapha kutholakala khona uTara. I-portal yili ilanga, njoba ngishilo ukuthi kule harmonic universe esikuyo oku1 kwakukhona ilanga nje, that solar energy. It's like that sun knew ukuthi at some point life will manifest. So yayilinde lokho. Nawa-ke lama 12 pieces aseyafika donsi energy yalo ilanga akhanda impilo ehlukile. Uyabona? So as much as kwaku empty ku harmonic universe number 1 la sesikhona, but the universe knew ukuthi at some point life was gonna have to manifest there. Uyabona? So bese ngichazeleke lokho ukuthi lama portions noma lama pieces we energy grid kaTara ayo 12 and azungeza around the sun akoleka ama frequencies welanga, and then ayaqala ke ukubuild up imatter ukuze ekhande ama planets of themselves or of their own. Uyabona? And by so doing, they became planets of their own, but were originally energy imprints of Tara. Lama energy imprints, noma lama energy grids, they became planets of their own. Hands on Mercury, hands on Venus, no Jupiter. But akhandwe nge-energy imprint labani kaTara. Kuza kanjalo ukuthi ungizwe ngilokho ngithi uTara umama kithi. Uyabona? Because uTara umama kithi, yena uzalwa u-dimension 8 uGaia. Kushuthi kithi ugogo lo. Uyabona? So zona-ke, these 12 planets were not created into harmonic universe 1. They fell into it. Shukuthi sizama ukuthi lama 12 planets ne-solar system yethu ayikhandwanga ngenhloso njengokuthi kusuka ama-Christos races ethi eza la azotshala impilo, just like how they always do ama-life seedings in all galaxies. In this case akwenzakalanga kanjalo njoba sesila nathi. Kwangesiyinhloso. Kwakuyinhloso eyayikhona for the future ukuthi at some point kwakuzomele kwehlelwe phela ku harmonic universe number 1 kuyotshalwa impilo nakhona. Yabona? But in this case isikhathi sasingasha kuze kwenzeka nje ingenxa yengxushunxushu esezenzakalile kwa dimension 5 zaseyiphoqa ukuthi zehlele ilanga ezansi zafike zakhanda impilo i-energy phela if iyaqhubeka lokhu transmuter nje. Yabona? All of this happened 550 million years ago. Lawo ma planets ke were Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, njoba kade ngwabala, you know. And this is how planet Earth was also formed. It was not built up by uJehova. Usuyazi ngo-Adam no-Eve manje isitori sakhe, usuyazi ngendawo ekuthiwa ku-Edeni, yikupho okunye osukwazi ukuthi u-Earth akakhandwanga uJehova ngale ndlela otshelwe ngayo. In the beginning nje kumele senze restructuring laphana uGenesis. Usuyazi ukuthi abantu bavelaphi, abavelanga ku-Adam no-Eve. Yabona? So nje you are well you are well protected with wisdom when it comes to especially cosmic history, our galactic history and cosmic history. You know? Zwana-ke, Tara's implosion became known as the fall of man because of the Turanisium race falling from greatness of their connection to the Christos connection. Uyabona? Sekuthiwa-ke ukuqhuma kukaTara kwaduma noma kwaziwa kakhulu ngokuthi ngaleli temu elithi it is the fall of man. Ngoba le race lezi idalo ekuthiwa zi-Turanisium njoba ngasho ngathi they were a master race. Babekhandwe ngama-genetic imprints wey'dalwa ey'nkulu kungaphezulu kwabo. Kusho ukuthi bona they were even more advanced. So Le emazulwini amakhulu, this race was highly regarded ukuthi yo, this is the most powerful race, you know. So ukuwa kwayo nokuhlaselwa ama-fallen angels, wazwela kakhulu emazulwini le kukhanye nolizwe. Therefore leso saga leso sase sibizwa ngokuthi it is the fall of man. Kwafana nokukhishwa, uyabona mase kukhishwa uAdam noEva engadini, mase kwenzeka lento yokudivideka kwale tribe lena iTuranisium, kwaconsiderishwa njenge like ukuwa from umusa nothando ne-advancement kaNkulunkulu, uyabona. Kushuthi kwayithikameza kakhulu-ke iy'nhlelo nemizwa yama higher guardian beings, especially lawa ayibhekelele kakhulu le race le, right? In our biblical history, this part of history, in our biblical history, this part of galactic history is known as the Adam and Eve drama. Yabona? Especially after sebedle ifruit, you know, there was that division. There was that polarity now. Ukuthi thina sesilalela le team, more like mabethi ena uAdam noEve basebazi ngobuhle nobubi, you know, because basebedle from the tree of knowledge of good and bad. So it speaks about lolu qhekeko olwenzeka phakathi kwalezi idalwa. That's why it's called the fall of man, because bakhishwa nokukhishwa laba abanye bahamba baya ngale kwaba naleyo separation, you know. All of this happened in a continent, a Tara planet called Eden, right? Siyaqhubeka sithi there were souls of Tara who were also blown apart during the implosion. Kusho ukuthi ngalesikhathi ke kuqhuma le planetary grid kwenzeka yonke lento iplanet ihlephuka into ingcuce ezu12, kwaba khona nezidalwa ezaduka ke lapho. Awucabange earthquake ishaya kuvuleka imigodi baphoseka abanye abantu phakathi. Lawo bantu njengoba bephoseka bahamba nalama energy grid sebeyophumela labo uphumela khona. Kusho ukuthi lezo idalwa ezasuka le kwaThara zawa kanye nalama pieces walama planets o12 zafika kule dimension, you know. Kusho ukuthi yebo ezinye zazo noma zase zikhona kule universe nama dimensions akule universe, kodwa umthetho uthi zazingabelongi lapho. Kwase kumele zenze lento yokuthi ke zikwazi ukusurvive phela, yabona. Kwase kuba umsebenzi ke walaba abasekhona ngoba phela ayiqhumanga yonke iplanet uThara, kwaqhuma ama-portions, uyabona, kwaphazamiseka ne-morphogenetic field ya iplanet nokunye ke nemvelo yasafarisha, uyabona. But zaqhubeka idalwa zaphila, ama-Alanya nawo ama-Lumians, uyabona. Kwase kuthi ama-Lumians asehlanganisa icebo ke lokuthi ayilandwe le mphefumulo ayingayekelelwa nje kanjalo ngoba isaseyimphefumulo ebelonga kwaThara, uyabona. And they were lost in the tracks of time. So leyo mphefumulo ke who got lost ngenxa yokuqhuma kweplanethi kaThara, kuthiwa ke they got disconnected from their soul connection and they needed it in order to evolve. Kusho ukuthi njoba basebewile from leyo dimension ekwa5 bawelela kule harmonic universe, behamba nama-pieces we-planetary grid kaThara, baba disconnected from i-soul matrix yabo, i-soul tribe, uyabona. I-soul matrix kufana nomndeni owengamele i-incarnation nokuphila kwakho, baba disconnected ngoba i-soul matrix yabo yayile kwaThara, bona base kule harmonic universe engezansi, engekho connected to i-soul matrix yabo. So they were basically disconnected from their own being. Lezo idalwa ke lezo ezaba disconnected zawela la kule harmonic universe esesikuyo, kwaba ilezi esithi ama-Alanians, okwakuyibo vele lapha ababeqale yonke lento. Angithi ukhumbule ngithe khona ama-Alanians nama-Lumians. Ama-Lumians ilawa ayifola under ama-Guardians, ama-Alanians ilawa ayifola under ama-fallen angelics. So imphefumulo ke yama-Alanians iyona eyayi-trapped in time, eyahamba nalama morphogenetic field, right? why kuwama-Alanians? It is because phela-ke the Alanian continent lesithi u-Eden, uyabona, yiyo phela eyaqhuma ngesimanga sokuthi ama-Alanians yiwo lawa ayesebenzisana nama-fallen angels ukwenza iy'njongo ezimbi la emhlabeni lo weplanethi kaThara, yabona. Imishini ababeyisebenzisa yaze yaletela ukuthi konakala izinto ey'ningi ngeplanethi. Kwaqhuma iplanethi yabo-ke, kwahamba nalezi iy'dalwa zakhona-ke, a lot of iy'dalwa zakhona, they fell with ukuhlephuka kwalama pieces awu-12, bahamba nawo bashona le ezansi, yabona. So kukhandeka lama-planethi nje, nabo they are getting separated. Ezinye iy'dalwa zako-Venus, ezinye zezako-Earth, njalo njalo, zihamba ziyantunda nje, yabona. So ngokunjalo-ke they were stuck in time and they needed to be rescued. Njengoba-ke base bedinga ukuthi le mphefumulo ibe rescued, o-administrator, the Elohim, the Lyrans, and the Melchizedek Cloister yani Master Council bahlanganisa iplan lokuthi-ke kulungile-ke lezi y'dalwa zilandwe kanjani. Yilaba fethu njengamanje osekuzongenelela khona kakhulu i-quantum science. Cishe after explaining this uzoba ne-understanding encane ukuthi isebenza kanjani lento ye-quantum science no time traveling, right? Zahlangana-ke bahlangana labo administrator sekudecide ukuthi kumele kuyolandwa lezi y'dalwa lezi. Kuhlangane lezi y'dalwa ezikumu continent ngoba zona zisasengama-guardians. Zihambelana naleya higher council nalezi ezinye iy'dalwa, uyabona, ezingabavikeli. Bonke-ke sebekhanda iplan lokuthi no, ayilandwe lezi y'dalwa. Uzobona nje ukuthi la ba-ama-guardians ngempela abasho ukuthi hhayi vele yibo abaqhumisa iplanethi, vele imisebenzi yabo asibayeke asiyekele konke, yabona, because ba-ama-guardians bacabangela wonke umuntu abachimi. Laselikhandwa-ke iplan. Uyakhumbula ama-Alanians lawa engithe abona ukuthi leli plane laselenziwa obhuti babo lali-wrong, bahamba boyiceba ngale kulaba abasebehlala kwaMu, kwafike kwalalwa nabo, imbewu eyaphuma lapho sayibiza ngokuthi ama-Ceres, i-Ceres. No, kwaphuma i-UR Tyranids, ngoba ukhumbule last week ngasho ukuthi i-Ceres kwaku-ama-Lumians elala no-administrator ukuze kuklime ulibofuzo ngoba lwaselithe ukulimala kancane from i-infiltration yama-fallen angels. So kwase kuvela i-Ceres. But laba abanye-ke abaqhamuka ngale sebezoceba ama-plan wabo, bacela nosizo, kwalalwa nabo. Iy'ngane zaphuma lapho zayibizwa ngokuthi they were the UR Tyranids. Uzolikhumbula lelo gama from previous episode. UR Tyranids. So ukhumbule sithe o-UR Tyranids babe bahle ngapha kwi-portal mechanics lezinto zo-time traveling and space traveling njalo njalo. So kwase kuthi-ke i-Ceres, igroup le, the Ceres, bakhanda iplani benama-Lumians. Lelo plani lalizo-executwa noma lalizokwenziwa ama-UR Tyranids ngoba wona ayephiwe ngapha kulezi zama-time traveling and portal mechanics. Lelo plani-ke ukhumbule ukuthi zonke lezi y'dalwa ziyi-energy, right? Lelo plani lalibandakanya ukuthi the UR Tyranids bashintshe imizimba yabo. Kahle kahle ilento ekuthiwa ukuyidela, ukuyi-sacrifice. Bayidele iy'mpilo zabo, yabona, ngoba kwakudingeka abantu abane-frequency enjengeyabo ukuthi bayihlanganise bese kukhandeka isifiye, i-portal kahle kahle. Shuthi sithi abafanga ngenye indlela njengoba kuyakushiwo nalana ukuthi kahle kahle akukho ukufa. It's a transition. Shuthi bashintsha isimo sabo sokuphila. Ba-understanda i-role enkulu ekumele bayidlale, bashintsha isimo sabo sokuba semzimbeni eyi-energy. Bahlanganisa ama-energies wabo, bakhanda i-portal. Zwana-ke. Sesithathiwe isinqumo, the UR Tyranids bangena ngale portal okwangena ngayo ama-pieces lawa u-12. Bafike mabefika la kule harmonic universe, bamlocate u-Earth. angithi usekhona mabe mlocator and then bahlanganisa ke ama-energies wabo bablenda ama-energies wabo batransmuter mabe wablenda i-gravitational pull ka-earth mabe wahlanganisa lama-energies bekhanda le portal eyisphere. Isphere into engathi sasidi kanje yabo emi kanje e-horizontal. Mabe hlanganisa leso sphere samatcha i-frequency vibration ye-planet ka-earth. Uplanet earth wasidonsa leso sphere noma leyo portal sazohlala kwi-center yeplanet sathi sekuyi-portal. Ngesimanga sokuthi le portal ikhandwe imizimba nama-energies wama-Ural-Taranet and ama-Ural-Taranet avela kwa-dimension 5 kwa-Tara. Kushuthi leyo portal-ke esila kwa-earth kwi-center ka-earth sekuyi-portal okuwukuthi isidalwa singakwazi ukusuka kwa-earth siye kwa-Tara, sisuke kwa-Tara siye kwa-earth. You see, that's a portal. Isikhona-ke leyo portal. Angithi manje iplanet njengoba iqhumile nje usho ukuthi u-earth usefana nemumva lekaThara. Yabona? Shuthi lesi sphere esikhulu sikwazi ukuxhumanisa uThara nemumva lakho ku-earth. Bese sizokwazi futhi ukuthi ke manje sikhanda ama-portals ukuthi okwa-earth ekwazi ukusuka eye kwaThara. Kwase kukhandeka iy'fiye phakathi kwalesi sphere esikhulu, right? Kwase phakathi kwakhandeka, by the way, lesi sphere esikhulu sibizwa ngokuthi it is the sphere of Amentai. Yabona? U-Amentai kwakuyi-morphogenetic field eyakhanda uplanet noma eyayitholakala ngaphansi we-continent lekuthiwa uMu. Lapha kwaThara ngithi uyakhumbula i-continent lekuthiwa uMu. I-morphogenetic field yakhona yayibizwa ngo-Amentai. So ngesimanga sokuthi yonke le project yokubuyisa lemphefumulo isungulwe yidalwa ezikwaMu vele. Kwase kuthiwa-ke asiyibize ngo-project Amentai ukuthi siyokhulula lezi dalwa lezi ezalahleka during the implosion. So it's the sphere of Amentai. I-portal. Phakathi nendawo kwale portal kwase kwavuleka i-portal enye ephakathi nendawo ethe ukuba nkudlwana. Nayo futhi iya straight kwa-earth. Sorry, iya straight kwaThara. Kwase kuthi surrounding-ke kwavuleka amanye ama-spheres awu-5. Lama spheres awu-5 before ngikuchazele ukuthi awani. Ake ngibekele kanje, ngichazele lokho kuqala. Idalwa lezi Turanium ngale nkathi zisase lapha kwaThara. Njoba ngithi zayibalekile futhi zibizwa nge-master race. It is because zayiphethe ama-DNA strands awu-12 wonke aphelele. And kwathi mase kungenelela ama-fallen angels kwabalula ukuthi lezi idalwa zisheshe zilutheke. Noma seyiluthekile kwabalula ukuthi ama-fallen angels asheshe athi tap into amandla alezi idalwa ngoba zazwaphethe onke ama-DNA strands awu-12 and kwakuyingozi lokho. So mangabe sekukhandwa leli plan lokuthi kuyolandwa lezi idalwa balikhanda leli plan ngokuthi hayi ukuthi bazohamba bona bafike bebeyithungathe lezi idalwa, cha. Bazofike laphana kwaMhlaba batshale impilo entsha. Bakhande nedalwa ezintsha. Imphefumulo yalezi idalwa ezilahlekileke izobe isikwazi ukuthi izonkashela kulezi idalwa eseyikhandiwe. Iphile kuleyo mzimba up until kushaya isikhathi sokuthi ikwazi uku-ascend ibuyele kwaThara. I-collect ama-memories. Mase wa-collect lonke ama-memories izobe isikwazi ukuyongena kulesi sphere iphumele kwaThara. So sisho ukuthi-ke ukuhlengwa kwalezi idalwa akuthiwanga nje hayi ngoba i-portal isikhona sihambeke siyobacinga, cha. Kwafike kwatshalwa impilo entsha. Kwase kuthi leyo mphefumulo iyakwazi ukuthi idonswa ile mphefumulo emisha kwahlangana kwaphila emzimbeni owodwa. Mase kushaya isikhathi sokuthi u-ascend umphefumulo uye kwaThara uyongena ngeportal uphumela kwaThara. So Njengoba idalwa zazuphethe wonke u12 DNA strands, base betho administrator laba bakhandele leli plan lokubuyisa lezi idalwa. Uyabona? By the way, leli cebo lalibizwa nge-Palladorian. I think it's the Palladorian seal, if I'm not mistaken. The Pallador. Okay, so buya kukho uzokuthola anyway, right? Between Pallador and Pleiadians, but I doubt it's Pleiadian, but ngizoconfirm, right? Ngizofika kukho, right? So kwase kuthiwa-ke manje asingabe sawufaka wonke u12 DNA strand emzimbeni womuntu oyedwa. Uyabona? Lama DNA strands awu12 asiwacane into 12 tribes. Sizoba nama tribes awu12 azosizana ukuthi le tribe izohlanganisa lolu ulibofuzo 1 u-DNA strand 1, le tribe izohlanganisa u-DNA strand number 2, le tribe izohlanganisa u-DNA strand number 3 njalo njalo kuze kufinyelele ku12. Benzela ukuthi lezi zizwe zonke zo12 zidingane, kungabe bikho eziba ngaphezulu kwezinye noma nalezi ezinye zithi zingenelelwa ama-fallen angels. Uthola ukuthi ama-fallen angels ayifica nje zinamandla amancane ngoba ama-DNA strands wazo awaphelele. Yabo? So lathi mase likhandiwe-ke lelo cebo lelo, kwase kuphoqa-ke manje ukuthi lezi idalwa lezi ezayishintsha zazenza isphere lezi sithe UR-Taranet, ngesimanga sokuthi base leyo portal leyo isixhumene neplanetary grid noma ne-morphogenetic field ka-Earth, yasithatha i-shape form yayo zakhululeka lezi idalwa. Futhi zathi mayisuka ekubeni iportal yasala kodwa iportal yaphila. Mazisuka kanjalo ama-UR-Taranet ayise ehlukana phakathi. Uyabona? Mabehlukana phakathi bona umsebenzi wabo kwakuwukuthi beyohlanganisa u-DNA strand number 1. Angithi sekukhandwa ama-tribes awu12 manje. Okay? U12 DNA strand awukho, awuphelele. Kumele kukhandwe u1 ngoba inhloso yama12 tribes ukuthi basizane bahlanganise lolu libofuze kuze kuphume awu12, u12 DNA strand template. So lezi idalwa-ke zayihlamuka from i-portal leyo ngoba yayisikwazi ukuyimela, zahlangana zase zibuyela kwa-dimension 8 kwaGaia. Awusukane madoda kwagogo la zonke izinto zaqala khona. Mayifika khona zafike zahlukana phakathi. Zayicana into zazu5 kahle kahle ama-UR-Taranet, right? Kwase kuthi 2.5 kwaba enye tribe u-root race. Ulo 2.5 omunye wakhanda enye race futhi. Lo half uzohlanganisa u-half 1.5. Sorry, u1 0.5 I think, ukuze kuphume u1 vele kuhlangana abantu ba. Akuso 0.5 plus 0.5, but you get the point. It was one tribe of UR-Taranet that got divided into 2. This one was going to assemble u-half, nalo assemblish u-half. Bahlangane kuyima kuphuma i-DNA strand eyodwa. I-trick yayisekuthenini u-DNA strand 1 njengoba usukhandiwe nje uzoba khona. Yiwo wawushoda. Shuthi angithi sithi lama-DNA strands kumele abe u12, right? Kwakushoda-ke u-DNA strand number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Ibona babe yi-bridge. U-DNA strand number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 kwakukhona kwi-genetic imprint yama-12 tribes. Shukuthi each 12 tribe izozalwa inawo u-DNA strand 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Ukhona u-active, but awukho connected from the main operations ngoba kushoda i-bridge oku-DNA strand number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So kuze lama-12 tribes asizane, kumele akwazi ukusizana ukhandwe u-DNA strand number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. U6 uzobe sekuxhumana no7 bese kukhandeka i-12 DNA strand template, right? Baya-ke kuGaia bahlala khona for isikhashanyana nje sincane, ama-Uriaranids aseyabuya-ke zakwa-Earth. Mese buye zakwa-Earth engena kulesi sphere lesi afike adivideka asiba u-5 ngoba bevele u-5 vele. Uma-ke angena kule portal njalo ayashintsha abe yi-energy. Yabo. Ashintsha-ke lama-root races ama-Uriaranids baba ama-portals. Yabo. Usho ukuthi-ke u-DNA strand number 1 sesinayo. U-tribe number 1 no-tribe number 2 sesinayo. Sekushoda ama-tribes awu-10. Usho ukuthi isphere sisodwa sizoproducer ama-tribes awu-2. Bese kuphuma ama-tribes awu-10. Kuhlangane nalo 2 obuya kwaGaia bese kuba u-12 tribes. Zonke lezi zinto zenzeka kwisphere kwi-planetary ekujuleni kweplanet uMother Earth. Kuyi-energy, ama-portals lawa libefomisheka nama-energy constructions lapha ekujuleni kweplanet. Isingena kanjalo-ke indaba yokuthi sithi abantu baphuma olwandle. Singasho ukuthi kahle kahle yonke le process yokutshalwa kwethu iyo i-cosmic intimacy. Yabona? Ngoba kwayiwa kwi-planetary core kwatshalwa isphere i-portal edlulela kwenye iplanet. Kwahanjwa kwayolandwa amandla olibofuzo. Kwabuywa ebuya ama-Uriaranids angena kule portal lena ashintsha aba amanye ama-portals amancane awu-5 phakathi kwale portal enkulu. Kule portal lena lawa awu-5 ayi-regulator. Yabona? Yilawa la okwakuzophuma khona le idalwa esibiza ngokuthi zona zingama-cloister races. Lezi idalwa ezingama-cloister races eziwu-5 yizo ezazizozala ama-root races awu-5 bese kuphuma the 10 races uhlanganiswe nalama races awu-2 asuka lapha kwaGaia bese kuphuma u-12 tribes. Yabona? So lama spheres lawa-ke iwona-ke kushuthi sine-sphere esikhulu esithi it's the sphere of Amentai. Lama spheres awu-5 aphakathi nendawo kwe-sphere of Amentai wona abizwa ngokuthi they are the halls of Amentai. Halls or Z. Halls. Yeah, it's Z. Halls of Amentai. Ama-portals-ke lawo bafowethu. Nalo-ke icebo lo administrator lokuthi kuyokhululwa imphefumulo selihlangene. Bafike balikhanda bathi bafowethu kuney'dalwa ey'lahlekile le kuzomele sihambe siyoyilanda. Nalo icebo obani abazolenza. O-Uriaranids bavuma badela ngey'mpilo zabo bayahlanganisa ama-energies wabo. Lawo ma-energies ammesha i-planetary morphogenetic field ka-Earth yadonseka lesi sphere sazokuthi khaxa kwi-center ka-Earth sanwebeka sathi. Yabona? Emva kwesikhathi ama-Uriaranids aphinda aphuma kulesi sphere ngoba sesikwazi ukuyimela sesibambelele ne-planetary grid ka-Earth. Babuyela back to kwagogo bayohlanganisa i-DNA strand yokuqala. Kushuthi nje i-Turanium kwakuyisizwe esisodwa but emva kokungenela kwama-fallen angels kwase kuthiwa alihlukanisa ulibofuzo kwase from leso sizwe esisodwa kwaphuma ezinye izizwe eziwu-12. Kodwa ezisabizwa ngama-Turanium zihlukile, yes ziwu-12 but zikhandwe ngolibofuzo olulodwa. Zikhandwe nge-template yolibofuzo olulodwa lolu esithi olwe-12 DNA strand. Lolo uJesu ayenalo naye. Ngihlezi ngichaza ngithi ama-12 DNA strands may active, that being literally becomes a god, goes against all the laws of nature and physics because they are able to embody the Christos frequencies in their bodies or in their systems. So esekhandiweke lama portals sekunjalo ilapho sekuzovela khona bonke abantu. Uyakhumbula-ke kuleya video ngithi abantu bavela olwandle khona into engathi iyisitho sangasese somhlaba nesibeletho. Lama portals-ke owu-5 nale portal enkulu aya-vibrate lapha ngaphansi komhlaba. Ila kuzoqhamuka khona lama tribes-ke. Kushuthi sithi isphere sokuqala se-cloister yokuqala sakwazi ukuthi sikhiphe i-root race yokuqala. I-root race leyo yokuqala yayibizwa ngama-Lumians to represent ama-Lumians lawa ka-dimension 5. Kwisphere sesibili kwaphuma i-race yesibili nayo yayibizwa ngama-Alanians to represent lezi y'dalo ezazilapha. Ngokuphila kwalezi y'dalo, lezi y'dalo ey'lahlekile zazizokwazi ukuthi zilocate le mzimba zifike zinamathele kulezo y'dalwa kuze kushaye isikhathi sokuthi si-ascend isidalwa bese siyakwazi ukutransmuta into energy siphume kulowo mzimba sikwazi ukubuyela kwaThara simemfuke kwaThara. Yabona? But leli plani lenzeka ngokuthi kudalwe thina. Bese le mphefumulo iyakwazi ukuthi ikwazi ukusebenzisa imizimba yethu ikwazi uku-ascend. So kusho ukuthi these souls could match their consciousness with our energy field and evolve through us ngemizimba yethu sila kwa-earth. Yabona? Leli cebo-ke bafowethu alibamba ama-fallen angels. Uyazi ukuthi sekuzobheda. Base befuna ukuli-hijack leli plan ngoba babona ukuthi niyasiza nini phela bayifuna into enenqubela phambili nezosiza. Niyasiza nini sizowaphazamisa-ke ama-plans wenu. Yabona? Mhlawumbe okwanamhlanje ake ngime la sizophinde siqhubeke kahle next week bafethu. Sengichazela okuningi ukuthi ngoba i-topic yanamhlanje bithi fall to harmonic universe number 1 noma fall from Thara. Ngichazela ukuthi wawukhona uThara kwaba nezimpo aqhuma. Ama-pieces wakhona namhlanje ngizokuchazela ukuthi ukuqhuma kwayiplanet kwaba namiphi imbandela. Njengoba sesilana thina namhlanje siyimbandela yokuqhuma kwayo iplanet. Uyabona ukuthi ngeke sizibe izimbi nepolitics nama-conflicts nama-dramas okwakwenzeka kuma-fallen angels in our galactic history. Ngoba kuyasithinta. Silanje ngenxa yazo lezo zimpi lezo. Yabona? Ake ngikushiye lapho nje but okuningi bese ngikuchazelile. Nanokuthi thina kuze sibe khona kuthiwa sitshalo siphile. Inhloso enkulu ukuthi kuhlengwe leya mphefumulo. Iyothi mayisihlengiwe yonke bese nathi ke siqhubeka vele nazi impilo zethu. You know? Okuyinto ke phela endala le konke lokhu sekwenzeka. Sezaba right izinto ngixoxela ngomlanda ngithi. Onke lawo ma process izinto phela lezi ezenzeka million years ago. Yabona? So nezimpi konke it happened million years ago, although we are still undergoing through some of the conflicts, but specifically lo mlando engitshela wona it happened million years ago. So which means sekwalunga zonke lezo zimo lezo. Idalo lezi ezayilahlekile sezakwazi ukuthi zenyuke. Kwenzakala izimpi eziningi ke in between ngoba ama-fallen angels angenelela kulama root races ayizalwe ama-cloister races. Usho ukuthi so far kwase kuvele 1 2 7 8 9 10 11 12. Yabo? Kwase kushoda idalwa ezu3 lapho. Ezu9 zaseyivelile. Lezi sibiza ngama-cloister races zaphila nakhona la emhlabeni. Zaye zaba khona ke nezimpi ezaba khona ezibizwa ngo-electric wars no 1000 years wars. Kubanga khona njalo le mission yokuthi kuhlengwe abantu. Ama-fallen angels bafetha engadlali. Yabona? Ayisusa impi. Kuliwe futhi okwangempela futhi kulinyalwe kufiwe futhi. Ajabule futhi angabi nankingi. Yabona? So ngicela ukuthi siphinde ke sikwazi ukuthi siyihlephule kahle futhi siyiconzule kahle next week nakhona. La khona ke engizobe sengikuchazela ngokujula ukuthi noma nje la engizobe sengichazela khona kabanzi ngalento ekuthiwa i-seeding. Ngoba manje ngisayikhele phezulu ngifuna uunderstand ukuthi sifike kanjani thina la satshalwa kanjani. Njengamanje bengisakuchazela nje ngeportal esamemfuka kuyo. Angithi uyazi ukuthi emva kwama-portals kuhlezi kune-possible dimension. So kusho ukuthi masithi lama-portals afakwe kwi-planetary morphogenetic field ka-Earth, ngale kwalawo ma-portals there's life. That is why lawo ma-portals athi mesenyuka esuka from the planetary core ezeyofika kulezi zinto ezisolwandle engiyibiza ngezitho zangasese ze-planet. Leyo connection yenza ukuthi konke okusuka kule portal kunyuke kuze kuzothi memfu uphume ngaleso sibeletho leso. Kwase kuyaphuma ke. That's why nje you've got ama-mermaids lapho olwandle. That should tell you something. But anyway, that's a topic for another day. You know, ama-mermaids are more like a part of humanity that refused to come to land to live there. They preferred the water, but we're still of the same tribe, you know. Thina-ke we came and became terrestrial beings. Yes, we prefer ukuhlala la emhlabeni. Yeah, so catch us next week bafethu la engizobe ngichazela khona kabanzi ngama-seeding. Ama-seeding ukutshalwa kwabantu nempilo. Ama-fallen angels ayilibe ilwisa lento yokutshalwa kwempilo ngoba I-understand iplani elalizama ukwenziwa ama-guardians. Kwakufike ibe khona i-seeding ukutshalwa kwabantu, kuqhubeke kube i-civilization nje enhle thrive-ayo for few million years, kuphilwe nje kamnandi ku-right, bephila kahle. Kwangenelela ama-fallen angels, iyawa leyo race leyo, iqala ukwenza izinto ey'ngasile, ibe disconnected, phinde kuqalwe phansi futhi kwaze kwenziwa ama-seedings awu-3. And thina thina njengoba siphila siku-seeding 3, sesiyithemba lokugcina lokuthi si-complete, libe kuzama ukukomplethwa le mission ye-ascension yokuthi sikwazi ukusuka la sinyukele sibuyele kwaThara. Kuyaziwa ukuthi uma le tribe le i-Turanisium nama-12 tribes beke bahlangana bayimbumba, bakwazi ukukhuluma ilanguage eyodwa, bazohlanganisa lo 12 DNA strand, bazokwazi ukunyuka ebebuyele kwa-dimension 5. Abanye babo bazoba namandla okulwisana nawo bonke ububha nepolitiki njalo njalo nezinto zama-fallen angels. So awakufuni-ke lokho ama-fallen angels, hence njengoba ngiloko ngikhuluma nge-matrix nje, uyabona. So bafethu singakho sanamhlanje, phindani futhi nikwazi ukungijoyina kahle next week, sizoqhubeka la esigcine khona. Siyabonga.